Hey, Todd, bringing you the truth about making money online. Today I want to talk to you about something called the symbiotic system. A system that has various sources bringing you income, all related to the same thing. In this case, I'm talking about making money online, and so I will have resources like affiliates that I work with. I have two different affiliates that I work with. One is a guy on YouTube named Matt, and he teaches you step by step how to make money on YouTube specifically, because that's what he's done for the last 8 or 9 years. He started when he was 14 years old in high school. The guy's a multimillionaire now, but he learned what to do, what not to do. Another affiliate I have, and you can look at my, I'll put links in this video, as well as I already have them in my channel, the description of my channel. The other link is an affiliate teaching program. Phenomenal. They teach you every aspect of affiliate marketing that you could possibly ever learn, and they have a great support team and a support system. Everyone involved helps you, and that's hard to find. I've joined other programs in the past, and you get nothing. You get no help. You're on your own for thousands of dollars. A symbiotic system will have various means to regarding the same channel, related to the same channel, that will bring you income. So then another product that I'm going to have is a digital product, and that will be an ebook. In my case, the ebook will be on content creation, what to do, what not to do, links with examples of people that have done it right, things like that. So once someone purchases the book, it will be sent to them as a PDF. They can open the PDF on their computer or phone and click on different links, and it will show them, so you can get all the visuals as well as the text. I'll have pictures in there as well. So digital products, affiliates, courses is another one. Teaching a course on how to do something, and monetization is another symbol of the symbiotic system, and that is, so when you use YouTube as your platform, they'll pay you for placing your videos there. You have ads. Companies come to YouTube and they want to place ads to get promoted, so they'll choose different videos to place those ads in. You could set it up to where YouTube places the ad at certain points in your video, or you just leave it up to YouTube's discretion to place that ad wherever they want in your video. Sponsorship, sponsoring different products. So if it's probably going to be a product that you're using or willing to use, and that company will work with you. They'll send you products to try them, and then you support them by maybe displaying their ad or their product in your video, or pictures, or talking about them. Various different ways of supporting and sponsoring the products. Please subscribe, please like the video, and look for that ebook. I will start putting it out there, and if you comment in this video that you want the ebook, I'm going to select randomly 20 people, and I will give that ebook away. And I'm not sure how much I'm going to sell it for. It's probably going to be $20 or less. Put "make me money" in the comments, and I will randomly select 20 people and get that ebook to you, and I will let you know that you're one of the candidates that was chosen. So again, thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.